Do you mind me asking, since we are going into a Bitcoin halving cycle, what do you want to see in Bitcoin next year?
That is a very, very good question. Of course, like we all see the halving as an inflection point, usually in terms of bear market and bull market. Like I, of course, every time the price of Bitcoin goes up, that attracts a lot of attention, and that is good for getting new users and new people in the ecosystem. I think if we would have maybe less volatility and more like slower value gain without heavy pullbacks, that's going to be easier to attract more people that are, I think one of the things that keeps people from entering into Bitcoin is that wild volatility in the price, that tomorrow maybe you are 10% up, but maybe you are the day after you're 20% down, and some people it's very hard to stomach that volatility. So I would like to see, as Bitcoin grows, it becomes a bit more stable in its price, but I am not sure that's going to happen in this halving.
What I want to hear about next year is, instead of stories about Bitcoin volatility and Bitcoin price movements, I want people to talk about transaction fees and how we can improve transaction fees. Like, that's what I want to hear next year.
Yeah, 100%. Especially like you said before, that one of the problems that you're experiencing is that there's not enough users, which is a problem that I hear from every single protocol. So if we can get the narrative to be less about price and more about what Bitcoin can do for people, and we can get more users, then the apps themselves, they will struggle less and they can all grow